In this video, I will show you how to place your trade on MetaTrader 5. So if you are finding it difficult placing a trade on MetaTrader 5 with your phone, then watch this video to learn how. When you open your MetaTrader 5, you have the quotes. Now from your quotes, you can place a trade directly when you've chosen the currency pair you want to trade, and then go direct to place your trade. But that wouldn't make sense because you need to know the direction of the currency pair, whether it's going up or it's going down, and that will determine the action you'll be taking, whether to buy or to sell. So don't buy directly from the quotes unless you have known the direction that the market is going. So the first thing you do from your quotes is to choose the currency pair you want to trade and go to the chart section. Click on it and go to the charts. So it is from the chart that you decide what you're going to do. Now let's take gold for instance. We click on gold and then we open the chart. Here is the chart of gold. Let's say that we are believing that price is going to come down to this point down here. So we want to sell. That is the decision I want to make now. Based on this video, that I want to sell down to this very point and just put my stop loss above this area. So I have seen the direction that I want to follow and I want to sell. That is what I want to do. There are two ways I can place this trade right now. I can use this very first point to place my trade and put my stop loss and take profits while placing my trade immediately. That is one way. Then the other way is when I use this other button here, then I can place my trade instantly without putting my stop loss and take profit, but I can adjust it or modify the trade later. So I'll show you how to use any of these buttons to place your trade. So let's go with this first one where we can place our take profit at once and now stop loss while placing the trade. So in that case, when you click on it, you will see this pop up. So you use this arrow that is there, then it opens and you see the interface. So you click on this and select market execution. So when you click on market execution, because we're placing at the market price, then you select the lot size that you want. But let's say I want to use 0.05, and 0.05 is 5,000 units of contract. Okay, so I leave it at that point. Next, I place my stop loss. Then next, I place my take profits where I want the price to take me out with profit. So I click my sell because I've decided to sell. So the order is placed, we can see, and then we see the order here, sell 0.5, stop loss is here, and take profit is here. So when you open your trade, you see the trade going right there. So that is the first way to place your order from your chart section. The next one is to come through this very button. It will pop up sell or buy. So in this case, there is no place to place your stop loss or take profit right away. All you need to do is place your buy or your sell, and after that you can modify. So choose the contract size. Let's say we want to use 0.03, then we place the order sell. So when we do that, instantly the order will be placed. Done. So we see that we've placed the order, but there is no stop loss. Look at it, there is no stop loss, there is no take profit. So I will need to adjust or modify this so that there will be take profit and stop loss. So you click on it, click on modify, then add your stop loss and then add your take profit. So when you've done that, you now click modify. So with that, when you modify, your stop loss and your take profit will be added, and then your account or your trade is automatically set to either close with a profit or close with a loss. So that is the second way you can place your trade on MetaTrader 5 with your phone. So in summary, you don't just go from the quote to place your order unless you know the direction of the market already. Secondly, you can place your order instantly without a stop loss or a take profit. However, You can also place your order with your stop loss and your take profits added while setting the order before even clicking a buy or a sell.